For product and marketing teams, collaborative whiteboards have become essential for brainstorming, planning, and visualizing workflows. Two of the most popular options in this space are Miro and FigJam. Miro is a feature-rich platform built for versatility and scale. It provides an infinite canvas where teams can create diagrams, flowcharts, mind maps, and customer journey maps. Miro supports sticky notes, drawing tools, templates, wireframes, and integrations with popular tools like Jira, Asana, Slack, and Figma. This makes it easy to bring in project data, track tasks, and link ideas to real work. One of Miro's biggest strengths is its flexibility. Teams can use it for early-stage brainstorming, detailed product roadmaps, design sprints, or marketing campaign planning. The interface is intuitive, but packed with tools, allowing both visual thinkers and structured planners to collaborate seamlessly. Miro also supports robust facilitation features like voting, timers, and breakout frames, making workshops and ideation sessions highly interactive. Miro is particularly strong for larger teams or cross-functional groups. You can create multiple boards, manage access permissions, and track contributions. Its extensive library of templates speeds up setup for common processes, whether you are running a retrospective, mapping a customer journey, or designing a product feature. Now let's look at FigJam. FigJam is Figma's collaborative whiteboard, and it is designed with simplicity, speed, and creative collaboration in mind. It shares Figma's clean interface and intuitive design tools, making it easy for teams familiar with Figma to get started immediately. You can add sticky notes, draw freely, insert shapes, and create flowcharts, all while seeing your teammates' cursors in real time. FigJam shines in fast, lightweight collaboration. It is perfect for quick brainstorming sessions, team workshops, and ideation exercises where speed and creativity matter more than complex structures. FigJam includes built-in stickers, emojis, and simple voting tools, making it feel playful and engaging for distributed teams. It also integrates with Figma, which allows designers to move seamlessly from whiteboard brainstorming to actual UI design. One of FigJam's advantages is ease of use. It's simple enough that anyone on the team, product managers, marketers, or designers, can jump in without a long learning curve. While it has fewer advanced facilitation or template options than Miro, it provides all the core whiteboarding features needed for collaborative ideation and early-stage planning. If your team runs structured workshops, detailed roadmaps, or complex planning sessions, Miro is the better choice. But if your team wants a lightweight creative space for brainstorming and early-stage product or marketing ideas, FigJam delivers efficiency, engagement, and ease of use. Both platforms help teams collaborate visually, reduce friction, and bring ideas to life. So the choice really comes down to whether your focus is depth and structure or speed and creativity.